everybody. Welcome back to the community. Excited you're with me today. I got a quick unboxing here to kind of look at a new product that I just have come in called the Plaud mobile kind of a recorder. And I want to take a look at it, unbox, and then tell you a couple of the ways that I'm going to use it. But let's get into the unboxing first. And then if you got any comments below of how you want me to test this over the next couple of weeks, please let me know so that we can test it. Very interesting device. Just a side note, I'm glad to be back doing more videos. I just ordered the new iPad. I went with the Pro, the big one, but I didn't go with the new kind of glass on it. I probably should have, but I do like the glossy effect of it. Okay, so here we go. We got the Plaud Note. Plaud Note is the name of it. I'm going to put it down here so we can see what's in the box. It does feel, very thin, like there's not much to it. But the ways that I want to use this thing for, basically what the Plaud is a new AI recorder to create summary of notes, and really works with an app to kind of allow you to take notes. And so what I'm going to be working on it with is to use it for a couple things. One, to set up my morning. So here it is. It's actually a pretty cool little device. This thing is tiny. Look at how little this is. It is a little device. They do come with a way to hook it up to the back of your iPhone so it actually can record calls. But how what I use it for is to be able to first set up my day. So when I'm walking Neil in the morning, be able to go out and record, and then be able to take it and summarize my notes so I know what I'm doing. That's the first thing that I would like to use it for. So you can see what it came with is a proprietary cable, which kind of sucks. A lot of people are complaining about that, that you have to plug it in and that'll charge it, okay? And then it comes with a case so that would go like there. See, that's gonna go on there, I guess. Yeah, to charge it. And this is a case for the iPhone, so it does work. I don't think there's anything else in it. Packaging is pretty nice. I mean, it comes in a nice box. There is some notes. Let's see what else we got in here. We have, and this is the ring in case, you have an Android, I guess. That's what that's for. I will be using it with an iPhone. So a lot of paperwork here. Started off as a Kickstarter. This thing started off as a Kickstarter and went out and did pretty well. And then people have been using it. And I really wanted a recorder that I could record a couple things. So one is taking it out for my walks, got it on my phone, just record some notes, and then have it sync up and give me a list of things that I need to do with ChatGPT. The other thing, and I've got my notes here on my Remarkable too, is to meeting with teams. So when I'm meeting with my team, we got to record our notes and then create, get the action items out of it. That's one of the things I'm looking for. Consulting and coaching. When I'm working with my consulting clients, a lot of times when I'm dealing with teams and their teams, I'm telling them things they need to do. And everybody's trying to write those things down. Now we can summarize the notes and have ChatGPT do it. Phone meetings are good. I do a lot of phone meetings, whether I'm on the golf course. You just flip this button up here and it allows you to record the phone call. I can be a spy, right, and record phone calls. But again, being able to summarize notes is really important to me. Content structure is another part that I've got here. Talking points for videos that I want to do. So if I'm out, I can record, say, I want to do a video, what are the talking points? And be able to have that summary ready to go. And finally, book writing. I think giving me some ideas and summaries when I'm doing books. I've started 4 other channels on YouTube, one of those being Sober Weekends, to help people that are trying to stay sober on the weekend. I'm writing a book for that. And so this would be nice to have that, to be able to just say, hey, this is what I want to write about today. Here's some points, and be able to write on that. So that's what I'm working on. A couple complaints that I heard, and we're going to test this out, is that it doesn't allow you to have separate speakers. I use a couple other products. I use Cast Magic for my Coach Cast, and actually for YouTube videos, it transcribes. It can pull speakers out. I'm sure that's something they could do with software. I don't know if they can do it yet. We're going to test that. The other thing is, can I take the recording? Because there's a subscription model. A lot of people get, they're worried about the limit of minutes that you can use. I'm not too worried about that. But on bigger projects, I would just like to take the voice down and then send it to ChatGPT myself. I have a ChatGPT subscription, and kind of see what we get out of it. But I just want to unbox it this week. So please put any questions you have for this little device down below. It does come, like I said, I think it's pretty cool. This little, it's tiny. I like it. And I think students can use it, and it's pretty cool. I mean, you do have to have a separate cable than like USB-C, but Pretty cool little device. So I'm gonna fire it up, use it for a couple weeks. Please, down below in the questions, ask me anything you have for the Plaud Note. You know how we do things here. What do you want to know about this thing? And then I'm going to show you some use cases and things that I'm doing. By the way, I launched a new ILD channel. I'm working on a content structure. I'm going to be talking about residual and passive income over there. We'd love to have you go over there and subscribe to get us to our 1,000 subscribers so we can overcome that. But a lot of content coming to this channel and then my other channel. So appreciate you. The new Plaud Note, all right, unboxing, questions down below so I can start testing this. Full review coming in a couple weeks as I do these 6 things that I said I was going to work with here with this Plaud Note. All right, thanks for watching. As always, a little thumbs up helps the video, and I appreciate you being a part of this community.